Welcome, this is a short video on how to install slates to abutments. So in the video what we can see is I'm grabbing a lead socket that we'd already prefabricated. What we do is we install it onto the batten, we bend it over the top and we fix it with one copper nail. We don't have to fix it if we don't want to because the nail will go through the slate, but it's just an additional precaution. We want it there to be there forever, so those extra bits make all the difference. So what I've done there is grabbed the slate, I've turned it upside down and I'm going to slide it against the wall, the lead soak as you can see, and I'm going to mark the top of the slate, like so. Slide the slate up and mark the bottom, and then we grab our straight edge and we join those two markings together. So I've done this off screen, unfortunately. Putting the camera in position was a little bit difficult. It's balancing on the scaffolding. So what I'm doing is joining those two lines up, and then we're going to cut it on the slate guillotine, which is on the roof, ready in position. Now we use a slate guillotine because these natural slates are quite thick, and it helps us with working, gives us that nice clean cut, and by putting it on the back we're already having that pre-dressed rather than having to transfer, marking the slate on the front and turning it over. We just put one simple mark, one simple cut. Now we're putting it into position. We fix the copper nail into the remaining hole that's left in the slate, and we drill another hole. The slate's got to have a minimum of 2 fixings. We're using copper nails here, and there's the second slate. And then what we do is we'll put another lead soaker there just to show you the way it goes in the formation. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and follow us for more tips and tricks on roofing, and hopefully it helps you on your journey.